If you're planning to or just starting out in the dropshipping business, then you'll definitely want to search for dropshipping sites as part of your initial steps before you venture into it. Obviously, the best source of information on these would be online searches, which generate thousands of results on both dropship suppliers and directories. The challenge comes when you need to filter out the best choices from that long list. Additionally, you will come across dropshipping sites that require you to pay a fee or to join as a member in order to access any and every bit of information you need. These seem to come up most often in searches. However, with our top 10 guide on the best dropshipping companies, you'll find some of the best ones in the industry, and these dropshipping sites come with no membership fees either. The list below also includes free dropshipping sites with no membership fees. Number 1. Worldwide. Worldwide Brands isn't like other dropshipping companies whose directories are full of spam or non-existent companies, which can be frustrating when you want to save time and money finding the best dropshipping partner. The advantages of using Worldwide Brands include a large directory of over 9,000 suppliers with access to millions of products. Certified suppliers who have undergone a rigorous certification process for legitimacy purposes. You only pay a one-time $299 fee to use it, no membership fees or monthly charges. One of the top dropshipping companies in USA. The downside is it lacks features found in other dropshipping companies, like no automated listing, website packages, or custom file uploads. Additionally, they upsell you their offers once you're signed up, which can be annoying for some users. Number 2. Wix. Running your own store is easier than ever when you're using a service like Wix. The Wix store building solution makes it quick and simple to set up the kind of store you want, with a range of excellent features like AI, professional templates, and more. However, once you've built an amazing website with Wix, you still need to find the products you're going to sell, store them somewhere, and make sure you can ship them quickly to your target audience. Wix dropshipping solutions could make it simpler for you to get the right results without spending a fortune. Wix dropshipping plugins and add-ons allow you to search through a wide selection of potential suppliers for your store, and work with them to get your items to your audience. Today, we're going to be looking at some of the best Wix dropshipping solutions. Interestingly, Wix recently purchased Modalist, giving the company a significant place in the dropshipping environment. The acquisition should allow Wix to further extend its position as a leading e-commerce platform, while contributing to the success of various types of company through Wix dropshipping. The purchase of Modalist allows business owners to seamlessly connect their store to a dropshipping supplier as soon as they start building their site through Wix. Modalist has a large number of suppliers, manufacturers, wholesalers, and resources to choose from, and it's now the clear top choice for Wix users. Number 3. Spocket. If you are looking to start a dropshipping business but do not want to use AliExpress as your source, Spocket may be the solution to your problem. Spocket is a Shopify dropshipping app that connects you with dropshipping supplies from Europe and America. They let you discover and dropship thousands of products with zero risk. It was founded in 2017 by Saba Mo, a tech entrepreneur who resides in Canada. As a dropshipper himself, Saba found the process of sourcing products, negotiating prices with suppliers, and making delivery arrangements too time-consuming. So he developed Spocket, an app that accelerates the process of sourcing and fulfilling orders for dropshipping. Spocket has grown rapidly since then. It boasts of over 20,000 customers and is one of the best-reviewed dropshipping apps on the Shopify App Store. Though Spocket dashboard looks similar to that of Oberlo, it has a minimalistic design and is easy to navigate. From its main menu, you can access all the features that Spocket comes with. You can search for products either through keywords or by selecting a category. You can then filter by price, the country of origin, and supplier. Thanks for watching. Hopeful you guys enjoying this video.